Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make the Wi-Fi work on a Hackintosh computer. So usually if you don't have a Hackintosh compatible Wi-Fi card or a Mac OS compatible Wi-Fi card, the Wi-Fi does not work, as you can see right here. If I go to network preferences, if you can see my Wi-Fi is turned off. I'm getting the status as off. I cannot turn it on even if I wanted it to. And I'm running Mac OS Big Sur, but this will work on Catalina as well as other versions. As you can see, it's version 11.1, 20C69. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So I'm logged into my Windows computer. Let's go to a browser. You should be connected to the internet. Mine is the browser of my choice is Edge. It might be different for you. I'll just type in Open Intel Wireless and then get up. And I'll open the first link. That's Open Intel Wireless GitHub. So that's the page right there. So it has ITLWM, which says Intel Wi-Fi drivers for macOS. Let's go to ITLWM. So if you go to the README, it says an Intel Wi-Fi kernel extension for Mac. Kernel extension that's kext for all Hackintosh users based on the OpenBSD project. So it has some intro, some compatibility. Let's open compatibility in a new tab and some downloads. So here are all the cards that will be supported. Now, how do you tell that your card is supported or not? For me, it's quite easy. I'll just go to Device Manager. I'll go to Network Adapters, and here it says Intel Dual Band Wireless AC 8265. So 8265 is important. I'll just find 8265, and here it is, AC 8265. So my card is supported. Anyways, let's close this. Okay, so major downside of this kext, I would not call it downside, but the developers are working on it, is that the speeds that you will be getting will be pretty low compared to your regular speeds. So if I go to fast.com, I have a 300 Mbps connection. So I'll be getting around 300 or 310 or 290. So I'm getting 290. So with this kext, I'll be getting around 50 to 80 Mbps download and 20 to 25 upload. That's the downside of this. I know the developers will figure this out. Anyways, so downloads. So we have releases. Let's go to releases. So there are two kinds of releases. Alpha 1, this is a testing only version, so we'll not be considering this. And then the stable one, this works every time. So we have two kexts here, Airport ITLWM and the normal ITLWM. So the difference between both is that Airport 1 will work natively with your Mac OS UI or Hackintosh UI as you will call. If you are using ITLWM, you'll need a special client, a different client for the Wi-Fi to appear. Anyways, I'll be downloading this for Big Sur. So for the airport kext, you have to download the specific kext, Big Sur 1 or Catalina 1. I'll just download the Big Sur 1 and I'll just save it. So here we have ITLWM and Airport kext. And the last thing that you want to download, a lot of you might have downloaded it, but I'll just download its OpenCore configurator. I'll just go to this link, that's Mackie 100 projects. And then I'll just go down and click on download. Most of you might have already downloaded this. By the way, guys, I'm using OpenCore, as it's recommended that you use OpenCore. Okay, with all this done, what you want to do is now copy all of these files into a folder on a pen drive and let's boot into Mac OS. So I log back into my Hackintosh. As you can see, the Wi-Fi is not working and there's nothing showing here. If you go to network preferences, Wi-Fi is off and I can't turn it on. If I try, I can't turn it on. Now copy all the files that you have downloaded from your Windows computer to your Mac Hackintosh or Mac computer, if you like to call it Mac. So these are the files. Extract all of these files. So I'll double click on this and this will extract it. There you have it. I'll just clean it up a little bit. This looks nice. So the next step is just going to your Spotlight. To do that, you have to tap on Alt and spacebar or Windows and spacebar. I'll just type in OpenCore configurator. You seem to have an old, that's not important right now. I'll just go to my disk, that's WDC, where I have installed Hackintosh. I'll just mount the partition. I'll enter my password. I'll open the partition. I'll go to EFI and then OC and then kext. So I have to paste that kext here. So I'll just go to another window. So here's the window. I'll just copy IT airport ITLWM kext from here to here, and that's done. As you can see, airport ITLWM. I downloaded the Catalina one also. If I switch over to Catalina, I'll just rename this. Now the work is not done. You have pasted the kext, but you have to edit your config file also. Just ignore this. Now I'll go to kernel. All my kext are listed here. As you can see, I'll just scan browse, go to my EFI location, go to my EFI OC and then kext, and just click on open. It will automatically load the particular kext. If I can show you, here's the one, that's airport itlwm.kext. I'll just save it. I'll just close it. I'll close it. Now let's reboot and see if Wi-Fi is working. So I've logged back into my Hackintosh. As you can see, Wi-Fi is connected. I have connected to my personal Wi-Fi. Now I can go to system preferences. I can go to network and I can see Wi-Fi is connected. I can just click on network name and all the Wi-Fi's that are in my area will be displayed. I can go ahead and click on turn off Wi-Fi as well as turn on Wi-Fi, and in a few seconds my preferred Wi-Fi network will be connected. So my network is connected. Now the downside that I was talking about was this. If I go to speed test, so that's an app in the App Store. You can just go to the App Store, type in speed test and download it from there. If I click on go, the speeds that I will be getting will be pretty low compared to what I was getting in Windows. As you can see, I am getting like 62, 63, 65, 64.4. In Windows, I was getting 290. So that's a pretty substantial decrease. And for uploads, it's approximately 10 Mbps. So that's pretty low. But the good part is Wi-Fi works for the time being. So I want to know from you guys, are you already using these kexts? If yes, what is the speed decrease that you're getting? And since you're already commenting, make sure to like this video and share it with your friends so that they also know that you can get Wi-Fi on a Hackintosh with your Intel based cards. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon. I've got some pretty cool stuff coming your way. That's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.